What's up, you guys? Hope everybody's doing well. Absolutely nothing to talk about today, so we'll probably just wind up doing a short video with some wheelies. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely would appreciate you guys subscribing, because like 80% of y'all ain't even subscribed and come and watch the videos. So if you could, give me a subscription, man. And we got a lot of cool things coming up. Import Face-Off is coming up on the 23rd of April, which is a Sunday, and me and a couple of friends are going, so I won't have to go home this time. But yeah, enjoy the video. Damn. Today. Oh yeah, and we got the fork seals in today. So far the cage hasn't came in. Honestly, the shipping hasn't said that it's like shipped out. It just says that the shipping label has been created and all that dumb shit. I don't see why it shouldn't be here this week, and then we'll be able to try and start doing a little bit slower things in first gear. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, well, so it seems to be there might be water in the fuel, and that's why it's doing this. But I can't have anybody come pick me up because my dad is out of commission currently. I put some heat in the fuel tank to try and remove some of the water, but it's not really working. Now I just got to make it to work. Hopefully it don't fucking grenade itself. got the bike apart, tank off, pulled out the fuel pump. Fuel pump has been changed. It's to a Quantum now, but there's a bunch of crusty shit in there. This fuel filter, whatever, is all pretty much toast. And then this is toast as well. But I think the fuel pump should still be fine. Put some water and rocks in the tank, shook it around, tried to get all the rust and shit to break free because it had been sitting for a while. But this is the water. Parts will be in 17th. So hopefully I'll make it to import face off with the bike. All right, so it is a couple days later from the previous clip that you guys just seen. I am on the Nighthawk, as you can see. I'm just waiting on parts for the Suzuki. Everything should be in by Monday, and I should be able to get everything together by Tuesday. The cage is supposed to come in tomorrow. I got my spark plugs coming in today. At least they're supposed to be in today. And then the fuel filters and all that is supposed to come in on Saturday and Monday. So yeah, if I record any more videos after this video, before putting everything together on the Suzuki, it's just going to be like a really chill, kind of boring ride for you guys. So with that being said, I have a little funny story that happened yesterday. So I went and seen my best friend's dad, go check on him and everything else, because I try to check on him every couple weeks to a month or so, just to see how he's doing and everything, because he does have some health issues, but he's a really good guy. He's always helped me out when I needed help. So yesterday I went and seen him and was hanging out and everything, talking, and then he wanted to go get Long John Silver's. And I was like, sure, I'll go with you. We'll pick something up to eat and everything else. So we leave, we go to Beaver Creek or Fairfield to get some Long John Silver's and some KFC. So we order, and he pulls up, and we give the dude the money, everything else, and he hands us our first bag. And the guy said, I have one more bag for you, and my friend's dad looked at him and was like, oh yeah, I got something for you too. And I even was kind of like, huh? So he had reached into his little ashtray and grabbed one of the joints, one of the roaches that he had. It was probably about that long or so. And the dude hands us the rest of the food, and he says, here, and he fucking hands it to, he hands the joint to the kid, and is like, hey, this is some really good shit. I hope you have a good day. And the dude like didn't know what it was at first, so he was like, what the fuck? And just kind of looked around, and then he realized what it was, and he started cheesing real hard and was like, oh hell yeah, man. But like as soon as I seen him hand it over, my eyes got wide. I was like, oh shit. That dude was definitely a starter. He was probably like 19, 20, something like that. But that probably made his day, and it'll give him a good ass story to tell some of his friends. And I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing recently. I've just been gaining more and more subscribers, and it's pretty consistently as well. And I'm just so appreciative of all you guys who like the content and have been showing a lot of love and subscribing and commenting and everything else. Like, I really do appreciate you guys. So I know like 80% of you guys that are watching this video right now are not subscribed, so if you could, please like the video and subscribe. It helps me out. I appreciate it more than anything. I think Friday or Saturday I'm going to wind up buying me a new helmet, because one, I've dropped this one quite a few times, so I do want to get a new helmet. I've been wanting to go up in price every time that I buy a helmet. My first helmet was $100. This helmet was $250, and this next one is going to be about $400. I wanted to get a really cool graphic helmet. I wanted to get an Icon just for the graphic helmets. I know that Icons are not the best for safety wise anyway. They're mainly just for looks, but I quickly realized that to mount a GoPro on there, you would have to put it on the face shield, because I was looking at the Airflight 2s, and I really didn't want to mount my GoPro to the face shield, because I would have to run the mic wire through the face shield and then connect it to the GoPro, and then anytime I wanted to lift up the face shield, you guys would see nothing. Like I would have, and it wouldn't keep the face shield up. I watched some videos of people putting them on, and the face shield just won't stay up. So I didn't want to do that, and I didn't really want to put it on the side. I wanted a helmet that I could stick it directly on the chin, so that it's a better first-person view for you guys. I was so upset that I can't ride the GXXR right now, because bro, it is so nice this week. Like, it's not supposed to rain until like Saturday, so, and it's almost 80 today, and it feels so amazing on the bike. Like, it feels fantastic. Interviews are like confessions. Get the fuck up out my bedroom, confusing me with questions like, do you love this shit? Are you high right now? You ever get nervous? Are you single? I heard you fuck the girls. Is it true? You getting money? You think them dudes you with is with you? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.